Hi guys, so I'm making this video to talk you through some of the problems, but not all of the problems on the classwork. So you can feel free to pause as needed to finish the problems that I am not doing. So on the first one, if you can read up here, I'm not gonna read it to you. It talks all about how you can tell if images are congruent to each other. So I'm gonna give, the sub's gonna give you a piece of patty paper so you can do this, but I wanna show you how it works. So I picked shape G, right? And if I trace over shape G, it looks just like this. And you can see that if I pick this piece of paper up and move it over here, it's the exact same shape as L. So when they want you to list them all, I'll start off the list for you. G and L are congruent, but there are others. So you're gonna wanna use patty paper and see which ones are congruent. And then you're gonna wanna make sure you come down here and answer these two questions. Okay, so again, I'm not gonna do that for you, but you and your group need to answer those. All right, and then when you turn the paper over, there's a bunch more stuff for you to read up here about things that are congruent. And then they want you to figure out if you think these two triangles are congruent. Okay, so right in here, you're gonna put an explanation if you think they're congruent or not. They introduce a symbol right here. This is kind of cool. This means congruent. And they're talking here about these two triangles. There's not a picture of them or anything, but they're saying that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. Right, so then this problem down here, Luis is trying to write a statement to show that these two triangles are congruent. And he's starting out right here with triangle MNP, triangle MNP. Now it's really important when you're stating triangle congruences that the order is right. So I'm gonna kind of put an arrow showing that going from M to N to P. All right, and if you look at this one, you can see that the sides that I'm going through in this order are 20, 16, 8, right? As I come around in this direction. So over here, if I'm trying to go 20, 16, 8, 20, 16, 8, then the way I should name this triangle is UWV, is congruent to triangle UWV. All right, so again, the order will make a really, really, really big difference. All right, so then I want you and your group to answer these two questions on your own. Once you have this paper complete, go and give it to the sub, and he or she actually will give you the homework assignment that goes with it.